So this is the 7th session of the Mulesoft Interview questions, which is related to Dataweave. So in this session, we will look into one of the questions. So in the left side, we have the payload, and in the right side, we have the expected output. So let us analyze what is a payload. So payload is an array, and it has objects. In this case, we have two objects with the name and job, right? And correspondingly in the output we need a header, right? id underscore header, which is starting with 100 and it is incrementing, and the name, whatever it is, it needs to be mapped. Within the parent we have jobs as key and an array as the value, right? So array have different key value pairs, basically type. We have three type, which is a string, right? So the requirement is we need to add a id to the child as well, which is starting with 200, and map the corresponding type, right? So let me copy this and check how we can do this, right? Okay. So I have copied the payload. First thing, we will use the map function on top of the payload because it is an array. I'll call data1, comma. So for each object in the input, we require an object in the output, right? So we can give, right? So first thing, we need to give the id header, right? So let me copy this. So it is index plus 100, right? Yeah, so we got the id underscore header. The second one is the name. So this could be directly mapped from the data1. Data1 dot new. Okay, so this part is done now. We have the id header and the name, right? So next one is jobs, right? Okay, comma jobs. Then it needs to be mapped on top of the jobs array, right? So I'll give data1 dot jobs map. I'll give it as data2 comma index 2. Okay, so the first key is the id underscore child, right? So I'll give, so the value should be index 2. It should be added with 200, right? Because it is going as 200, 201, 202, right? So I can give plus 200. Okay, then the next one is the type, right? So I give type, and the value of the type will be contained within the data2. So I can give data2 dot, yeah, that's it. So we got the expected output. That's all.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please let me know any suggestion about the session in the comments. And if you would like me to include any topic in Mule 4, please let me know in comments. Thank you.